Hello friends, welcome to UnlistedZone.live. In this video, we are going to discuss how one can place a sell order in UnlistedZone.live. What you need to do is, you need to go to My Order, place a new order, select a company. Let us suppose I am selecting Edison Technologies. I want to sell my shares. My price is 500. You cannot place sell order above 162.75 because there's a last order. So I can put it say 160 and I want to sell 100 shares. I will agree to terms and condition and simply place an order. Once I place this order, this will come into the system. This is the name of the company, this is the username, this is the order type. I want to sell shares at what price? 160, lot size 100 and order status is moderation. Now once you place an order, sell order in the system, it will go into the marketplace, and in the marketplace all the buyers that are there in the market, they can able to check, okay, this is an order which has come and he's ready to sell 100 shares of Edison Technology at rupees 160. So, and if any interested buyer is there in the platform, he will contact to this particular deal and place a buy order of rupees 160 for 100 shares, and then this deal will be closed, and then this order status will change from moderation to executed. There is an option called expired. Expired means, let us suppose on 29th of August 2020 I have created this order. After one day, if no match happened in the system, this order will automatically get cancelled. So there is an expiry date of 1 day. After that it will expire. So hope you understand how to place an order in the UnlistedZone.live. Thank you very much.